Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi guys, kamusta? Kamusta mong tanan? So we're back. It's been a while and then nanghiram ako ng laptop sa housemate ko. Fortunately, wala siyang trabaho at night. So, he lent me his laptop. Yes! But, to be able to, make some videos and upload videos. Yeah. No, I'm laughing because yung laptop niya is MacBook. So So I'm trying it out tonight. Pre-set up yung laptop. But yeah. So ito, nagsiset up ako. I'm not sure if I'm getting the correct lighting and stuff. But I am going to do and try some videos. If this will work out, then probably I'm going to upload this one. And yeah, because I'm really quite excited because it's been a while. We are not going to do some, long videos because, mahirap mag-edit and I still need to figure this out. And so what we're going to do today is, okay, I'll show you guys how to do your eyebrows. So, paano ba talaga ang magkilay? So that's what I'm going to do. Same stuff. So that's what I'm going to do today, guys. Well, tonight. Oh, yeah, technically tonight. Yeah, so let's start the video. So guys, I have my favorite tools here are products in, grooming my eyebrows. I have this. I have the pencil and here, and then the spoolie. And the other product would be the brow gel. Before, I did really enjoy this brow pomade. Ito yung color the brow pomade. But now I realize na since makapal yung kilay ko, I still have hair sa kilay ko. I don't need this one. Probably this one is better for kung wala talaga yung kilay and you need to map out your kilay. But for me, I don't need this one. So if you guys have the same kilay as mine, you only have spars or alam yun, may kilay pa rin kayo but you just need to groom it or to make it even more perfect, then these are the products that you need. So you have the eyebrow pencil and also the spoolie. Yeah, spoolie, right? And then also the brow gel. So these products are from Browmade actually. Made Cos Browmade. Basta it's a local brand. And Made Cos Beauty. So before I have this one, I ordered this one through Instagram, but lately they already have a Lazada. They already have a store in Lazada, or what do you call that one? Yeah, store in Lazada. So I grabbed mine sa Lazada na. So what we are going to do, guys, mahaba na yung buhok. And look, so cute. To be honest, this shirt, I just bought it. I bought it a year ago, and ngayon hindi na siya fit sa akin. Look. Hanggang dito na lang siya, guys. So, nag-shrink siya. I don't know kung nag-shrink or tumaba ako dahil sa kaya-stay na sa bahay at walang exercise. I am not really sure, but yeah, I think basta hindi na siya, masikip na siya sa akin. So, yeah, I wear this one at home na lang. Anyways, moving forward to our eyebrows. If you notice, guys, mayroon pa naman akong hair sa eyebrows, but yeah, I have yung mga spars area, yung mga butas-butas na yan. So, normally, I would extend my brows up to here kapag nag-ano tayo na makeup transformation. But that's because we're looking for, we're going for a look. But today, we are just going to do our eyebrows. So, guys, first, what you're going to do is i-brush muna siya ng spoolie natin. Let's clean it up. So wala akong foundation ngayon. I don't have any makeup on my face. Let's just do the eyebrows. And guys, sorry, hindi ako nag-shave kasi I love me with some beard. With some beard. Or with, ano Tagalog dito? Shucks. With some bigote. I love me with some bigote. Ito na lang yung ko. Basta, forgot what to say. So yun na. So i-brush na natin siya upward, guys. Listen. Para i-clean, especially kapag nag-makeup na kayo para ma-clean niyo yung eyebrows niyo. At my hair. So guys, naglalagay ako ng argan oil. And yeah, it's doing fine. So marami pa rin akong hair fall, but then, mas okay na siya ngayon than before. Now, after brushing it up, what we're going to do is to fill in muna, guys, yung sa dulo ng part ng ating eyebrows. Diba nakikita nyo? Kasi we want to have that, to get that gradient effect na parang darkest dito, tas lighter dito sa area na to. Supposedly, yun yung i-achieve natin. So we're going to fill it in. So yan, flick nyo lang yung inyong pencil, ganyan. So gusto ko tong pencil na to, I don't know, it's a little bit waxy, tapos hindi siya ganun ka-intense, kasi sobrang intense, agad-agad, it doesn't look like it's natural kapag pag sobrang intense. So ganyan, fill in nyo lang, tapos i-brush nyo lang in order for the product to spread or basta to coat it evenly. So yan. Just brush na natin. Type ko siya ng konti. Fill in mo lang talaga siya. Now, we are going to map it out papunta dito sa harap. So, you follow lang yung natural na shape ng eyebrows mo. Huwag ka nang gumawa ng iba ba. Kasi you want your eyebrows to frame your face naturally. Yung natural face mo or natural frame ng face mo. So, i-follow mo lang yung eyebrows. So, yun. Very lightly lang. Yan. So yan siya guys. Makita niyo may line siya ng konti. Tapos, dito din sa baba. Very lightly lang. Huwag masyadong strong. Huwag niyo siya masyadong idiin. So yan. Tapos, saka natin siya i-brush ulit. Para mag-fade yung mga line at magiging shadow lang siya. So take your time. Now kung makikita niyo mas better na siya. Tapos fill in na natin yung iba pang sparse area. Ayan. Feel. So make sure if you're going to buy a pencil, brow pencil, make sure it's the right color. But normally, we do prefer na kakulay siya ng hair mo. Kasi ang weird na blonde yung hair mo, tapos you have a dark, eyebrows. So yun. So ganyan guys, flick ko lang sila, ganyan, na parang hair strokes pa din. Tapos punta ko ito sa harap, very lightly, flick ko siya like hair. Clean ko lang ng konti. Yan, tapos brush mo lang. Kapag feeling mo sobra na yung product. Pero you will coat your evenly. Ayan, guys. So, pagdagan ko pa ng konti. Ayan, I'm happy na with that. Yan. Hindi ko naman siya kailangang i-fill in talaga na sobrang na black na or na black out na yung eyes ko. Hindi naman ganun. Yung eyebrows ko, di ba? Hindi na siya yung parang full blocked na black color na siya. What we have to do lang is parang i-fill in lang yung sparse at saka parang it will still look natural, di ba? Yan, at saka ma-shape lang siya ng maayos. So that's it. Now, with that kasi you want yung tail mo yung mas darker na color kasi if you're going to parang ganyan sideways, makikita mas madami pa siyang spars if ever. Kasi yung hit ng lighting, di ba? Pag nakaganyan ka, tapos kaganyan, iba, di ba? Yung color, if nakaganyan ako, mas black siya kasi makita mo lahat ng dito. But when you go that way, tatanggal na siya. So you want to fill it in more. Yung sa black, we want the tail ng eyebrows mo ang mas darker na parang pa-fade siya going in front. Sa front ng eyebrows mo. So I'm just going to fill it in but very lightly lang. Na kung nagkamali kahit and you went heavy-handed or nag-blotch yung color, brush mo lang using your spoolie para ma-blend ang maayos yung but very lightly lang guys Now, ayan. So I'm happy now with that. If you can see, mas filled in to. Diba? Mas may shape siya than this. Tingnan mo, itong area na to, butas na butas. Here, butas. Ito, butas. But this one, na-filled in na siya. Medyo mas, pero natural, in a natural way pa din. Hindi siya yung sobrang nakaline. So with that, lalagyan na natin siya ng eyebrow gel. Gel ba ito? Basta ito, eyebrow gel na ginagamit ko. I'm happy with this one. I'm really, really satisfied with this product kasi nag-last siya all day. Kuha lang tayo, tapos i-rub lang natin siya dito. Or Itong what do you call this one? Spoolie pa din. Basta yung bendable na spoolie. Yung mga ano lang. Well, it comes with this naman kapag binili mo siya. So, lagay mo lang siya. Huwag masyadong makapal. Kasi ayaw mong maging ano siya, namumuo sa yung kilay. Wait lang, bed ko lang siya. Ma-reach ko lang yung product. So, brush ko lang siya. Yan. Now, I'm going to apply it in sa harap. Tapos, para makuha ko yung feathery effect. Now, it's up to you guys if you want that super high na pagka-flick ng yung eyebrows, or you want the natural. What's that? I think I'm hearing something. I don't know. But anyways, or yung natural na brows. So yun na, ako gusto ko itong sa harap is talagang nakatayo sila. That's what I want. So I want to add more. Tapos make sure na yung base is i-brush nyo going up. Sinisin ko lang siya. Ayan guys. Kita nyo ba? So ito yung ginawa nating eyebrows. Ayan. So, ito yung hindi pa nagawa. Kita niyo yung difference, di ba? But it looks natural pa din. See? Tapos may tail akong konting tail lang. So I don't want to exaggerate it. But kapag nag-makeup look or may makeup, pag nag-makeup transformation tayo, di ba? Tinataas ko siya dito para mas maganda. So that's it guys. Yun yung eyebrows natin. So gawin ko lang yung kabila para makita yung pantay sila. So there you have it guys. Tapos na ang ating eyebrows. If you notice guys, nawala na yung which one? Ang hirap talaga kapag camera. Ayan, di ba this part kanina mayroon siyang spars? I mean, mayroon siyang parang walang buhok. So right now, nalagyan ko siya ng shadow and then naturally yung pagkalagay natin. And then also, na-lift ko na yung brows. So they were able to fill it in. So ayun yung eyebrows natin, maganda na. Diba? So, it looks full, it looks maganda yung color. So guys, if you want to purchase this product, ito from Barrel Made Cause Beauty. I-link ko na lang siya down below so you would be able to find them on Lazada. Yeah, on Lazada. And then yeah, by the way, this is not a sponsored video. I just love using these products. As I mentioned, last year ata ko siya nabili. They used to sell pa lang sa Instagram before. So nag-order ako sa Instagram. And also I was able to convince my friends actually in the office to buy the same products. And yeah, binili namin to. Ako na yung brows then I have this one. I think they still have they have much thinner nito, yung parang mas talaga, precise na pencil. And that one I'm going to buy also. Sana kasama siya sa 99 Shopee haul. But anyways guys, that's it for today. And I hope you did enjoy our video. And yeah, I am going to post another video after this. I think I'm going to do another one. So see you again soon guys. Thank you so much. Bye!